Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you fingerprint scanner not responding and how to fix it. So if your fingerprint scanner is not responding, then what you guys want to do is simply first cover the fingerprint fixes. So what I mean by that is we want to make sure that we re-enroll the finger that we were using. We're going to go to settings now. We're gonna go over until we see the security and privacy, and here we're gonna click on device unlock. Now we got the two fingerprints for me. If you got one, then you can simply delete it like that by clicking on the trash icon and clicking yes, remove or delete. And we're gonna re-enroll our fingers. So we're gonna click add fingerprint. Now we all know how to do that. We need to start like this. Now we need to lift and hold until it says adjust your finger to another side. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna keep swapping the sides, and now we're gonna place the edges. And the fingerprint has been added. So now let's quickly test it out if it's working. Let's try again. Yes, it is working. And what you guys want to do next is simply clean the sensor area. So we're gonna go over and grab a microfiber cloth and clean the place where it is. Now this is clean, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna diagnose if it's not the display issue. So it could be the screen protector. If you, for example, have one and it's dirty or it's not aligned properly with the screen, is going off to the edges or to the sides of the phone, then remove it and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then you can also look at the software issues. So we're gonna go to settings and make sure that we are on the latest version of the software. We're gonna scroll down until we see about phone, now nothing OS, and click nothing OS again. Now it's checking for updates. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very, very, very important that you check for updates, because if you're not on the latest version, you can struggle with the old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.